Alright, so for today's face pack, we just need 3 ingredients. One is this Multani Mitti face pack, and this is from the brand Banjaras that I got. Okay, you need half a lemon and you need 1 teaspoon of curd. Okay, so what we need to do is, these packets are really nice because you get smaller packets inside, which you can use it. If you want, you can use it for once, you can use it for twice, and you can just let go. I'm sorry guys, I'm holding the camera with one hand, and that is the reason I'm showing it to you with the other hand. So here you need to add this Multani Mitti, about 1 tablespoon full. Okay, and you need to, okay, just keep it aside. Okay, and then you need to squeeze this lemon juice in it. Okay, and then bring it to a thick consistency so that you can apply it on your entire face. The reason why I use lemon is because lemon helps you brighten the skin immediately, because it has got vitamin C enriched in it, and it is an excellent, I would say, skin bleach, which is like a natural skin bleach. So this is how it looks. The actual consistency of the paste, Multani Mitti paste that you can see. And this is how it looks. Okay, so let me show you how you need to apply this on your face and get glowing skin this Valentine's evening. And this is especially for people who do not have a lot of time, and you suddenly get a call from someone you were expecting and he's asking you out for a date tonight. So this is a quick and easy thing to brighten up your skin. Inside my washroom, I have no makeup on my face right now. I have pimples here, you can see. So first of all, in order to apply this mask that I have just prepared, so I actually forgot my tripod, and that is the reason it's very difficult for me to film videos. But then I thought today is Valentine's Eve and I cannot let this opportunity go, so that's the reason I started filming with a very something which is a very quick hack that I found. So I'm actually filming, I'm actually using a bottle as my tripod, if you understand what I'm saying. But that's the level of commitment and desperation that I have to put videos for you guys tonight. So first of all, you need to clean the skin, okay, so that the material that you're going to apply, the paste that you're going to apply on your face, would really clean it. Okay, before you apply this paste, you need to clean your face. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this face wash. If you can see, this is called the Ethiglo face wash, and this is the massager cum brush that I use to clean my skin. So first of all, you need to wet this brush a little bit, okay, and this is really amazing guys. If you are unable to find this brush, it comes with 5 other attachments. I will leave the link below in the description box. Probably you can just go and check that. And for this face wash as well, Ethiglo face wash, I would leave a link below in the description box. You can definitely go and check that. But first of all, I would take a little pea size amount, okay, on my palms, in my fingers actually, and you need to just apply it all over your face first, very nicely. If you do not have this face wash right now, today maybe with you, so you can use any other face wash. The other one that I prefer using would be the Garnier Men All Clear, which is really nice, and it actually pulls out all the dirt from your skin before you apply this pack. So this is how I'm applying this. Okay, so now that I have applied the Ethiglo, this is the other one that you can use that I was talking about, Garnier Men but this is a really nice face wash that I use. This is actually Neil's face wash, but I have borrowed it from him. So this is how you would like to massage it. So this is how it works, and you would massage it like this. Not for long, just for a couple of seconds or maybe a minute or so. Make sure that it's clean. Okay, the sides of your nose, on your forehead. If I come closer, you can see that it's actually very nice in cleaning, and it actually helps your muscles to relax on your face and also allows the blood to flow. So that's the reason I prefer this. This is a part of my beauty regime and my skincare regime. And it's very inexpensive. You get it anywhere on Amazon. It's under, I think, 600 bucks. So you can definitely give it a try. And if I talk about your, like 3 pound or 4 pound in Europe, in other states currency or something, around $5 you'll get it, below $5 actually. So this is how it is. That's all. This is how the foaming should look. Okay, and okay, now it's time to wash off the face. Okay, so I've just washed my face. Okay. All right, and if you have something which is like a dry, I have this dry piece of cloth. It's very clean, so this is what I use to dab my face off. So do not scrub and do not just drag it, just softly press it on your skin. Okay, so this is how my skin looks. You can see it's actually glowing now, and I'm using my hand, my fingers actually, to apply the paste all over my face like this, so that it can be evenly spread. Guys, I'm just looking at the mirror. The mirror is here. That's the reason I'm looking this side, so please excuse that. Actually, as you guys know, that we are in a new location right now, as I told you last time, so I do not have a set background or a set studio as of now for me. Yes, but it's getting built so that I can sit down and shoot my videos from there. But for the time being, why should you guys miss on the videos that I do? So probably that's the reason. So make sure this is how you apply this. Okay, and the ingredients also I would leave it in the link below, so that it's easier for you guys to identify and understand what are the materials that I've used, what are the items, so whatever you call it, is that whatever I have used. So this is how you need to apply it and let the magic begin. So if you do this step and then you go for your makeup for today's special day, you can actually be, this is today's special night, it can be really nice, amazing for you, especially if you're working and it's fallen on a weekday. Guys, that's the reason I'm giving you this tip. It will instantly brighten your face up and it will be really nice. Don't forget the neck, guys, it's very essential. And also, okay, this is how you need to apply this paste all over your face. Nice thick coat. This is nice and thick, guys. You can see how I have applied it all over my face and let it dry. So this is how I have applied it all over my face and let it dry for almost like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with cold water. Okay guys, so this is almost 20 minutes and this is already almost dry. You can see that. So now what you need to do is you need to wet a clean towel and you need to just scrub it slowly on your face. So I'll quickly show you clean towel that I've got. This is what I use. So you need to first washed my face and you can see the glow on my face right now. It's actually started glowing, so it's looking clean, you know, crystal clear, and you can just apply a little bit of makeup to make it more glowing when you're going. So I'll just wash off my face and I'll show you how exactly it is. So guys, now you can see I have towel dried my face and this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing guys? It looks amazing. It gives you a very, very nice and clear skin. And also after this you just need to apply a nice gel or something on your face. Okay, so now you can see that I have pat dried my face with a towel and you can see how much it is glowing. Okay, so all you need to do is after this I'm going to use this Hyalu gel. It's a hyaluronic acid gel. So this one, again, I'll leave the link below. This is really, really good because what hyaluronic acid does is, it might sound as if it's an acid, but what it does is it actually helps your skin look firmer and tighter and younger. And this is really very nice product. You get it in any of the medicated shops or you can buy it from Amazon as well. So you just need about a pea size of this. I'm taking it on the back of my palm, on my back of my hand actually, and you just need to apply this. So this is same like a serum. If you would have done a face you know, cleanup or something, and after that you apply a face serum or a face anti-lotion or something like that. This works as a face serum to tighten the pores, and yeah, so just leave it on, and then after it actually absorbs in your skin, then you can go with your regular moisturizer, and then you can start with your foundation, base and makeup. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'm sure you would definitely try to use this hack on a Valentine's Eve night to look very nice and beautiful. Especially if you don't have the time to go for a facial in the parlor and you have a busy schedule and something quickly comes up and you get to know that, oh my god, I have to go out for dinner or something. This is something which will help you. So do let me know if you like this, and yeah, and I also have other homemade remedies which I would link in the description box below or somewhere here or here. And there is also a permanent facial hair removal process that I follow to get rid of my facial hair, which I would link it here. It's all natural, so definitely give it a try. So I will be coming up next time with a next video. So I would end the vlog here guys, and thank you very much for all the love that you're showering on me, and stay healthy, be obsessed about yourself. Bye bye.